It's a Chua circuit. CHUA. It's running off of two 9-volt DCs. It's the stereotypical build. I'm going to show you, this is where the batteries usually attach. I've got X and Y on my oscilloscope. It's an old HP, so it's A and B. The ground to the first resistor on that side, and then it goes to the cap on the right, the only cap on the right. The second cap on the left gets the probe, and the ground for that probe is right there on that resistor. A little bit of playing around with the potentiometers, and that's it.